every business are struggling with a single thing. What is that? Yeah, return of a product from your customer and giving a refund against that return. Right. If you are running a retail shop, online shop, or any wholesale, yeah, you need to juggling with these kind of things. But in Odoo 19, we can simply handle with return and refund within a few clicks. So let me show you how to do that without wasting any time. Let's directly move to the video. So now let's directly move to the sales module. And imagine that one of our customer, which is Azure Interiors, want to purchase 3 quantity of acoustic block screen in black variant from your side. Okay. So what we are actually going to do? Yeah, we need to create a quotation, and after confirming all the configured option, we need to confirm that into a sale order. Okay. For that, let's click on new option, and here I'm going to create a quotation. So let me specify with Azure Interiors. Click load. All right. So here we have our customer, which is Azure Interiors. And there we have the invoice address, delivery address, expiration date, and payment terms. So here we need to change this payment term into immediate payment. Okay. Once we're done with that, we are moving to order line tab, and we need to specify our product, which is acoustic block screen. So we'll get a wizard like this. So I'm specifying which is our variant in black. And I'm going to add 2 more quantity. And there we have 3 quantity of acoustic block screen in black variant. Okay. And there you can find the quantity, and as well as there we have a graph icon which shows this product is currently available in our stock. Okay. And if this graph icon shows a red color, that means this particular product is not available in our stock. So you just need to carefully just specify that which is available in our stock or not. And there we have a unit price, taxes, and lastly we have our total amount, and there you can find the total amount which is included our tax. Okay. So once I'm done with all the configure option, and I'm going to confirm this quotation into our sale order. For that, just click on the confirm button, and there you can find that this particular quotation is converted to our sale order. Okay. And what we are actually going to do next? Yeah, we need to deliver this product to Azure Interiors. For that, let's just click on the smart icon, which is delivery. And we are going to check the availability of this particular product. So let me specify. So I know that this 3 quantity of acoustic block screen in black variant is available in our stock. So I don't want to check the availability. I can simply specify with the quantity, and I can validate this. Okay. So once I'm done with that, I'm validated. So we need to move to the next transfer procedure. So we are actually moving this particular product from one storage space to another storage, and we need to validate. So I'm going to click on the option next transfer. All right. And here I'm going to validate this. And we have one more validation process. So next I'm going to click on next transfer. Okay, so I'm validated. I'm done with this. Okay. So now we can simply deliver this product, or we are done with the delivery, and now we can simply create an invoice. For that, let's move back to our sale order. And there you can find 3 delivery, which we are delivered a product in 3 locations from the stock storage area from another, and from there to another, and there we have lastly delivered our product to a customer. Okay. And now we can simply create an invoice based on that. So let me create a regular invoice. And there we have our draft invoice, and just confirm this. And let's create a payment. So after that, let me create a simple payment, and we are done with the payment. Okay. So the customer paid for the 3 quantity of product, and we are done with all the delivery process, and we are done with all this payment procedure. Okay. And finally, we are going to our sale order. And let's move to the delivery. And after that, let's go for the 3rd delivery, which we are delivered from our stock to the customer. Okay, there you can find this. So now suddenly your customer call back you and they said like one of those acoustic block screen is damaged due to the bad shipping policy or a bad shipping. We can say like that, okay. Or some kind of defects are there for our acoustic block screen. So what we are actually going to do? Yeah, we need to return that product from your customer side to you. Okay. For that, what we are actually going to do? We can simply return that. In Odoo 19, we can simply do that by clicking on this return off this button. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the return, and there you can find this wizard, and here I'm going to specify with the quantity. One quantity of product is enough to return. So here I'm done with that, and there you can find some other option which is return all, return for exchange and cancel. So if you want, if your customer need to return one product, you can simply specify the quantity and you can click on this option which is return. And if they return all of those products because they are not satisfied with our delivery, you can simply click on return all option. And if they need to return that product and for the return they need to exchange that product, you can simply click on return for exchange. And if you cancel this return, you can simply click on cancel option as well as. Okay. So here I'm going to return one of those products, and there you can find all those things, and here I'm going to validate this. We are done with that. Okay. So now let's move to the sale order. So we are done with for delivery, right? Now let's create an invoice. Before creating an invoice, we need to move to the first invoice and we need to create a refund for this particular product. For that, let's click on the credit note button, and there you can simply provide the reason displayed on why we are creating a credit note. So let me give that it's damaged product. And there we have our journal and reversal date. So let me going to reverse this. Yeah, we are done with that. And here we have our invoice. So we need to specify with the quantity. For only one quantity, we are going to reverse this invoice. All right. Let me specify with one quantity and let's confirm this option. So one quantity we are give the refund for that particular product. There you can find the invoice, customer credit note invoice, and we are done with the payment. Okay. So now let's move back to the sale order, and there we can see 4 delivery and 2 invoice. Which is the 2 invoice? So one we are done with the refund. There you can find minus 320 rupees that we are given our payment to our customer because of the refund, and that particular amount is deducted from our account, and there you can find they are paid 1,104 rupees to us because of what? Yeah, because of we are delivered 3 quantity of acoustic block screen. Okay, now let's move to the sale order, and there you can find 4 delivery, which is 3 delivery in case of we are moving our product from one storage space to another. Like there you can find the warehouse top to the warehouse packing, and from warehouse packing to the warehouse output, and there we have the warehouse output to the customer side. And lastly, from the customer side to the warehouse stock, we are done with this procedure once we are return the product from the customer side to our customer side. So we are done with 4 delivery and done with 2 invoice. So in case of no validation or revalidation process, we have 3 delivery process which we are delivered our product from our customer side to there, and we returned that. So there you can find 3-1. Okay. So now let's move back to the sale order. So we are done with all of this thing. Okay. So I hope you all understood the video, and yeah, do try this return and refund in Odoo 19. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.